Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set the take profit option in the eToro application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already by going to eToro.com right here. If you're using your mobile device, just go ahead and open up the application and you're going to be greeted with the join eToro option that's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in using the login button right here, and once you have logged into your eToro account, you are going to be greeted by a different main page from where you can get started accessing your profile picture right here in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to open up your portfolio, dashboard, wallet, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to set up the take profit option once you open up trades. So here we have an article on the official eToro website on how to go and set up take profit. So basically guys, here you can see this is what it's going to look like once you're opening your trade. So click on take profit to set your TP according to specific rate in the market. You can also click the amount button to view and set the TP as a monetary amount, and there you have it guys. So you can go ahead and adjust the take profit anytime while the trade is open. You can find your trading options right here by going to the trade markets in eToro. It is going to open up the trade platform from where once you're setting up your trades, you're going to see this option for buying trades, and you have the no take profit and the amount that you want to set up. Click set and it's going to save it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.